Alright, so I installed these LED under counter lights under my table and they lit up the whole area really well. They are super thin, so once you stick them on, you barely even notice them until you turn them on. They give off a bright daylight white look that really makes the space feel clean and modern. Now, I was sent this LED under counter lighting kit by AIBOO, and you can actually get 12 puck lights in this set, which is great if you want full coverage across a longer countertop or display area. They plug into a 12-volt adapter, so no wiring or extra parts are needed. The wireless remote lets you dim these from very low to full brightness, and it remembers the last setting you used. I like that the remote works from a distance, so you don't have to bend down to turn anything on. You can stick them on with a strong adhesive or use the included screws if you want something more permanent. So if you want an easy way to brighten up your kitchen desk, table, or display area with lights that look clean and stay hidden, this is definitely the right one for you.